Did you know WA has the world's largest robot? 2.4 kilometre long trains, fully automated and remotely monitored from Perth, are travelling across a network of 1,700 kilometres of railway track across the Pilbara Desert. In fact, Western Australia has become the global leader in developing robots for use in harsh environments on Earth. And the skills needed to understand and operate these technologies are the same for those used in agriculture, underwater surveillance, even space exploration. Imagine developing software and AI systems to improve crops, repair submarines, and make new discoveries in space. That's what WA companies are doing right now. And they're looking for people with STEM skills to help them do it. Science, technology, engineering and mathematics can open up a world of interesting opportunities and unique experiences on Earth and in space. Career opportunities involving automation and robotics are becoming a huge part of our future. To make them a part of your future, take 2 minutes to consider a career in STEM.
Authorised by the Government of Western Australia, Perth.